Here are some practical wealth creation strategies you can start implementing today. Boosting your income, negotiate a raise, research your market value, and confidently present your accomplishments to your employer. Develop marketable skills, take online courses, certifications, or attend workshops to enhance your skill set and open up higher paying opportunities. Explore side hustles, freelance gigs, online businesses, or consulting work can bring in extra income without a full-time commitment. Passive income streams. Consider investing in dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or royalties from creative work. Managing your expenses. Create a budget. Track your income and expenses using apps or spreadsheets. Categorize spending and identify areas to cut back. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment portfolios to avoid relying on willpower. Utilize rewards. Use credit cards or loyalty programs that offer cashback or points on everyday purchases. Challenge yourself. Implement no-spend days or set limits on discretionary spending like dining out or entertainment. Investing your money. Start small and early. Even small, consistent investments over time can benefit from compounding interest. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in a mix of asset classes like stocks, bonds, and real estate to spread risk and maximize potential returns. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts. Contribute to IRAs or 401ks to benefit from tax deductions or tax-free growth. Do your research. Understand the risks involved in different investments and choose options aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. Other practical tips. Pay off debt. High-interest debt like credit cards can hinder wealth building. Prioritize paying them off with strategies like the snowball or avalanche method. Negotiate bills. Don't be afraid to negotiate lower rates on cable, internet, phone, or insurance bills. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. Prepare meals at home to save money and eat healthier. Track your progress. Regularly review your budget and investment performance to stay motivated and adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, consistency is key. Small everyday actions like tracking expenses, automating savings, and making informed investment choices can make a significant difference in your long-term wealth creation journey. For further guidance, consider financial planning apps. Mint, Personal Capital, Enob can help you track spending, set goals, and manage your finances. Investment platforms. Robinhood, Acorn, Stash offer commission-free or low-cost options for investing in stocks and ETFs. Financial advisor consultations. Seek professional advice for personalized recommendations based on your specific situation and goals. I hope these practical strategies help you on your path to financial success.